Hello, this is Julio Davila, your Atlanta real estate agent, with another virtual home tour, Celebrity Edition. We are in Buckhead, Georgia, which is north of Atlanta. Today we are touring the home of Shirley Strawberry. This beautiful, meticulously maintained condo in the heart of Buckhead is city living at its finest. This condo is walking distance to Phipps Plaza and the new, highly anticipated Nobu restaurant and hotel. This gorgeous unit features an open-concept living and dining room soaked in natural sunlight and has an updated kitchen with a view. This split-bedroom floor plan with ensuite bathrooms makes this the perfect place to host out-of-town guests, friends and family. The generously equipped fitness facility with sauna, outdoor pool with hot tub, wine cellar or the rooftop fireplace on a chilly night. Your safety is a priority in the gated community, completed with 24-hour security staff, concierge staff and valet attendants. Don't forget to tell us what you think in the comments below, like, and subscribe. Now let's finish the tour.
Perfect.